Royal Building Products Thermostop Weather Seal is available in several different widths, lengths, and colors. Each is designed for a specific application, but the installation procedure is the same for each. When replacing old trim, the existing trim will need to be removed first, with the garage door in the up position. To begin the installation process, start with the garage door in the down position. Measure out from the door face 2 3/8 inches and place a mark on the jamb every few feet to assure proper alignment and seal compression for optimal door performance. Please note that all Royal Uniflex thermostat profiles install similarly, but each will be positioned away from the door based on their width. As demonstrated in this video, the 2149 Uniflex is positioned 2 3/8 inches from the door. When using the 3029 Uniflex R&R profile, measure out 2 7/8 inches from the door. And in the same way, place the 2591 Uniflex architectural profile out 3.5 inches from the garage door face. Prep the horizontal vinyl trim by starting the installation nails at 8-inch intervals along the trim length. Some profiles have pre-punched nail guides every 8 inches for quick reference. Now you can measure the top opening from side to side and cut the Royal Thermostop ends square with a cutting tool or fine-tooth saw. Place the grooved side against the jamb with the flexible vinyl flap facing in. Now align the hard vinyl to the marks on the jamb and begin nailing every 8 inches. The vertical vinyl trim is installed the same way by measuring, cutting, and positioning to the marks placed on the jamb. At the top of each of the vertical pieces, make an inward 45-degree cut on the flexible PVC. This will align with the horizontal vinyl trim piece you installed earlier and give a clean, professional fit. With the door in the up position, you can finish nailing the vertical vinyl trim, making sure it makes contact but does not bind or bunch against the door, allowing it to open and close with ease. Royal Thermostop Garage Weather Seals come in 3 unique widths and 30 color options, including 9 Royal Solar reflective colors formulated to complement and perform with dark-colored garage doors.